Hi Gemini, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. For your general energies, career situation, and relationship, Gemini. We are picking these cards, guys. If you want more clarity in your situation, you can watch the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance, guys. So let's see what are these cards first. We have Clover, Bear, and Whips. So, Gemini, in your situation, it may be in your work situation or in your personal life, there is someone really close to you. It may be your sibling or parent or a friend who has true concern on your welfare. So, this person is guiding you on certain things, maybe suggesting you what needs to be done, and they are commanding a lot of respect from you. You respect them, and for some of you, you are asking this person suggestions, but for some of you, they are offering their advice to you, and you may not like the way they are dominating you or trying to control your actions. And though this person is someone really close to you, you may not like the way they are speaking. For some of you guys, for some of you, I see that you are the one taking their ideas or suggestions for something. And also, you are in some kind of a difficult situation. Maybe it may be your energy or this person's energy. Maybe they have some addictions and they are trying really hard, but however hard they are trying, it's really impossible for them to overcome these addictions. So it may be your addictions or the person you love, they may have some addictions. So maybe you are taking advice or counsel from someone regarding this difficult situation you are facing today, and you are feeling stuck, confused, you don't know what to do, which way to go, or what needs to be done. So lack of clarity is also what I see, guys. But whatever your situation is, guys, there is an unexpected lucky change coming your way, Gemini, today. So some kind of an opportunity or offer is reaching you in your work, or it may be an opportunity in this relationship to change the way things are. But you need to be aware, grab that opportunity when it is there, and it may not last long, guys. So you need to be attentive to hold this lucky change coming your way and make use of it to benefit yourself, guys. And you are going to see a change in the way you think. You are going to feel harmony and balance in your life, Gemini. So whatever troubles you are facing, all that is going to resolve for you all, guys, Gemini. That is what I see with these cards. Thank you for watching, guys. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Gemini. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. I will keep this card aside, the second card. Let's see what is the card for those who chose this card. It's a Crystal Spirits card here, guys, we have, and it is Pesartin Garnet. So, with this card, the energy is that maybe in this relationship or in your circumstance today, you have some kind of fear or something is holding you back from showing the other person what you truly are. And you are trying hard, maybe, to make people like you. But you need to understand that the person who is your perfect match, who is your soulmate, is waiting for you, and this person will love you for what you are, what you truly are, not for what you are trying to show about yourself, guys. So you need not worry. You are attractive, beautiful, and you are a beautiful soul as you are, and you need not feel worried or feel any kind of inhibition in showing your true nature, your true uh, personality, your true characteristics. And you need not worry that other people may not feel comfortable with you, seeing you that way. So, the right person is coming towards you, and you just have to show your authentic self in any situation. Stop, stop hiding what you truly are, and stop trying to hide out of fear for other person, guys. And today is the right time you need to do that, and you need to realize that you are attractive and beautiful as you are, and this may be the time, the right time your soulmate will also recognize all that is attractive in you, and they will come towards you. You just have to be what you are truly, guys. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading for you all, guys. So let's see what is the second card for those who chose this card, the second card. It is the Wild Swans. Dedication. So this card just means that your story is a story of sacrifice. You have done a lot, you are doing a lot of things, sacrificing yourself, maybe physically, emotionally, but your sacrifice is without recognition, and you are doing it out of love for the other person, for someone in your life. And your sacrifice, it may look like a madness to the people around you. Maybe you are not revealing the truth behind your actions. So that may be the reason. Maybe you are devoted to some task or a mission. You have that single mindedness in your work or in the task that lies ahead of you. It may look like madness. People may see you as someone engrossed in work, not interested to communicate to others. But you are doing something for a greater purpose today, guys. So you are moving towards the greater good of someone you love, and you are going to bring a great change in others' lives, guys, other person's life. And maybe we do not appreciate the work of a scientist or a great artist when they are immersed in their work. Only when we see the final results, we know the potential of their work, and we have the evidence of their skills and talents and their one single minded passion. So, you are doing something like that in your situation, or there is someone doing something like that in your situation, guys. And this is not the time for being judgmental. You just have to see the truth. Maybe your actions or this person's actions may appear bizarre, but they are doing it out of love, and there may be a time coming very soon when they are going to explain things to you guys. And maybe they do not need your approval, or if it is your situation, you do not need others' approval. Maybe you are doing something for a greater good for everyone, but a time will come when you will explain your actions, or when that other person is going to explain their actions. So the time for that great breakthrough is not very far, guys. So for those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.